Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making Jamaican ackee and saltfish. So the first thing you want to do is get your ackee, and I'm using the ackee from the tin. After I remove the ackee from the tin, I like to just rinse it off in some water and then I allow it to drain. While the ackee is draining, you want to go ahead and put your salted fish in the pot to boil with some water for about 15 minutes. And then while that is being done, what you can go ahead and do is cut up your fresh seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you like. I'm using tomato, purple onion because I really like the flavor that the purple onion gives. I'm using green bell peppers, orange bell peppers, some garlic, as well as some yellow bell peppers and some green onions. Now you want to go ahead and get your frying pan heated up with whatever oil you like. Some people like to use avocado oil, some like olive oil, some like the regular, say, vegetable oil. I like to go with olive oil, so that's what I'm using today. I throw my seasonings in and I let that just sit there and sizzle and get all the flavors out. I'm now adding some Scotch bonnet pepper to the pot. I'm also adding some parsley. Give your seasonings a good stir and just let them sit and sizzle some more. I'm also adding some cilantro, some dried thyme leaves, and oregano. Now that our seasonings are all caramelized, we're going to go ahead and throw in our saltfish. And as you can see, I've broken up the saltfish into small pieces. So now we just go ahead and give it a good stir. Mix it all together, get it all incorporated. Oh, look at that. Now I'm adding a little bit more olive oil because once I add my ackee, it's going to, absorb the oil. So I want to make sure I have enough oil in the pot. Now it's time to throw our ackee in, and we're going to slowly mix that in, because what I know is that when you're using the tin ackee, it's not as firm as the fresh ackee from the tree, so you have to just gently stir it in. This smells so good. I just wish you all could just taste it. Good old Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Now I'm just sprinkling some more parsley leaves on the top just to give it that nice colorful look. And then I'm putting a little bit of ginger because I like to add ginger to anything that I'm using that's from a tin. That's just my way of doing it. You don't have to add ginger if you don't like to, but that's just how I do it. Just let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And there you have it, guys, Jamaican ackee and saltfish. You can have this with your fried dumplings, you can have it with your boiled bananas. Some people like ackee and saltfish with white rice. Some people like it with yams. It's all up to you how you want to have it. But there you go, Jamaican ackee and saltfish.